I'm Jeff Beavis. I'm one of the agronomists and water managers here at SBC Farms. This estate encompasses a vineyard and winery, as well as an Angus beef production facility. We have a large number of animals here: camels, sheep, donkeys, approximately 300 breeding cows on site, and obviously they all need water.
Hi, my name's Said, the lead contractor for Dawson Plumbing, and we're engaged by Marnong Estate to install a pump system for their future works. So we ran into a fault where the pump failed, no one knew, and obviously it's quite a concerning problem for the winery. So I got a phone call, I rushed out to the estate Marnong and had a look, see what happened. And, we repaired the fault, that's fine. And then I raised a question with MATelec saying, we need an alarm system, send a signal when the pump throws a fault, because obviously the pump's quite remote. So we need to be notified as soon as something happens. So MATelec engaged MATelec, and we're up here now.
With regards to the upgrade, the winery wanted to ensure that they could remotely monitor the pumps, and that's where Propitect came in. The offering was great from the perspective of our client, enabling them to monitor the pumps remotely, ensuring that there was no downtime and ensuring that there were efficiency upgrades.
So this system was initially installed without InterLINX, without Propitect connection. So MATelec approached MATelec and knew about the Propitect system, and myself, as a bit of a product expert on Propitect, got involved in how we integrate with this existing system on site.
My input was, I need to know the animal troughs have got water in them. And I need to be able to maximise the use of water, particularly as it gets drier and drier and drier around here. I need to be able to maximise the use of water without impacting the animals, the grapes, that sort of thing.
So we had Propitect installed. One of the reasons is because our clients wanted to know whenever there was an issue. They wanted an SMS and an email alert to tell them if there was an issue. Obviously, because it's a big deal if the pump stops pumping for whatever reason, because obviously the animals won't get any water. So they need to know about it as quick as they can, and having the Propitect monitoring system, they can actually go online, they've got their login and check and see what's going on. They can even reset the pump themselves, which might solve their problem in a short period of time, and then we can come out and have a look at the system. Or we've got a login too, we can connect and try and help them off-site and try and resolve the problem as quick as possible. Being able to see what's going on with our system is great, and obviously the alarms. So we can see exactly what's going on, which alarm it's in, and if the client's capable or if we have someone else on site, we can guide them through how to get out of that alarm and get the system back up and running.
It gives me peace of mind. Probably the biggest thing is it's such a large property, 50,000 litres of water. Quickly, if it doesn't fill, can run out of water with the amount of animal troughs that we're going out to. And often, given the positioning of the tanks being tucked out of the way, out of sight, if you miss checking them for 24 hours, you can be out of water, and the first you know it is the animals are stressed. The beauty of this is we now get an SMS or an email if there's an issue with the pump and it hasn't filled the tanks. So it gives you peace of mind that it's going to work.
With regards to MATelec, we partner with MATelec. We've been partnering with MATelec for a long period of time. MATelec is our supplier of choice with regards to controllers. With regards to this project, we required a unique solution, and MATelec was the right choice in terms of providing that solution to meet the customer's needs.
MATelec and MATelec have formed a true partnership in that they're both looking to contribute to each other for mutual success, and this shows that mutual success is flowing on to their end customers and their end customers' customers. We will continue to use MATelec for a long period of time. The partnership that we've developed has blossomed, and we will continue to offer innovative solutions along with MATelec.
As long as the error messages keep coming through, if it faults, I'm going to be happy. No worries. Thank you. Good on you, Gaz.